Nagpasiklaban ng husay at bilis sa mga amateur at pro drivers na lumahok sa round 1 ng kauna-unahang Philippine Drift Series na ginanap sa R33 Drift Track sa San Simon, Pampanga noong March 28. Inulunsad ng R102 Productions ang National Series na may 3 rounds at hinati sa amateur, Pro 2 at Pro Class.
So basically, this is our first year for Philippine Drift Series. We've been managing the events here for the past 4 years. We launched the National Series this year to put the level up. Ang Pilipinas ang nauna sa drifting sa Southeast Asia. But medyo nahuli tayo. Natalo tayo sa Indonesia, Malaysia, and Thailand. But the past 3 years, we're picking it up.
Actually, ang pinaka gusto namin kasi, to let the sport grow. And unang-una, syempre, well, drifting before is very fun, okay? And we are just keeping it fun.
Kabilang sa mga sumali ang sikat na rapper na si Flo G, professional race car driver na si Daniel Miranda, at ang season trio mula Angeles City na sina Adol Season o Dr. Drift, Arian Season also known as Sister Drift, at si Daughter Drift na si Ashley Season.
And I'm very excited kasi it's the season opener. And surprisingly, ayan, sobrang daming sumali and meron tayong mga international drivers. It just shows na yung Philippine drifting community is finally, ayan, taking off and we are encouraging more people to come.
Bagamat batid nila ang hamon ng kasalukuyang global crisis, naniniwala sila na makatutulong ang mga ganitong aktibidad para magbigay ng positibong enerhiya sa komunidad.
Matagal nang nakaplano to. Alam ko may pinagdadaanan yung buong mundo ngayon. Pero since nakaset na lahat, it's something para magbigay tayo ng joy, ma-motivate sa tao, huwag tayo malugmok, lahat aayos din. Everything's gonna be okay. So, tuloy lang natin to, suportahan natin yung Philippine sports natin, motorsport, especially sa drifting.
Matapos ang round 1, nanguna si John Relution ng Autocraft Drift Team sa amateur category, habang nasungkit ni Lloyd Rivera ang first place sa Pro 2 class at si Mark Bernardo ng Chris Racing Development naman sa Pro class. Ayon sa mga organizers, layunin ng naturang event na palakasin pa ang drifting industry sa bansa, magbigay ng malawak na entablado para sa local drivers at makahikaya ng mas maraming taga-subaybay ng motorsport.
Because it's a really good sport, even if you go overseas, which I'm based in overseas as well. There's a lot of momentum involving drifting, and we hope that the Filipinos could be there because the Filipino drivers has the talent. It's just we need more backing and support. So hopefully this is the start of a new beginning for the drifting scene here in the Philippines.
Yeah, the reason why we came here is because this is the biggest drift event here in the Philippines, and I want to see accidents, drifters, all the cars sliding and the tires burning, having fun here. Generally, I expect the all amateur drivers to step up. This is their first time doing the drift, and for the Pro 2 and the Pro Class drivers, having a safe race, having fun.
Gaganapin ng round 2 ng series sa June 20 sa Tarlac Circuit Hills at sa October 10 naman ang round 3 na inaasahang magaganap sa Metro Manila.
So if we bring it back to Manila, I know we'll have the spectators and we have the market unite again.
Yeah.
So for live stream, just check out our Facebook or IG account. Is Philippine Drift Series. Just type in Philippine Drift Series. It's on there. Just click on the link and it'll shoot you right to our live stream.
Para sa iba pang detalye tulad ng registration sa tickets, bisitahin lamang ang official social media page ng Philippine Drift Series. At yan po ang Game On. Raymond Casoy, CLTV 36 News.